Welcome to this step-by-step guide to Revolut Business API. The Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that allows developers to access and manage business accounts programmatically. To get started with the Revolut Business API, you need to create a Revolut business account and enable the API. This can be done by logging into your account and navigating to the API settings page. Once the API is enabled, you will be provided with an API key and secret, which you will use to authenticate your API requests. The API key and secret should be kept secure as they grant access to your account. The Revolut Business API uses standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, and PUT to interact with the API endpoints. For example, you can use the GET method to retrieve a list of all transactions, or the POST method to create a new payment. To authenticate your API requests, you need to include the API key and secret in the authorization header of your request. You can also use a library or framework to handle the authentication for you. One of the key concepts of the Revolut Business API is webhooks. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time notifications when certain events occur, such as when a payment is made or a new transaction is added. To set up a webhook, you need to provide a callback URL that the API will send the notifications to. You can then use these notifications to update your application in real time. Best practices for using the Revolut Business API include handling errors and exceptions properly, and implementing retries and timeouts to ensure reliable communication with the API. It is also important to keep your API key and secret secure, and to use a secure connection when making API requests. In conclusion, the Revolut Business API is a powerful tool that allows developers to access and manage business accounts programmatically. By following these steps and best practices, you can build reliable and secure applications that integrate with the Revolut Business API. Some common use cases for the Revolut Business API include building custom accounting and expense management applications, integrating with e-commerce platforms, and creating automated payment and invoicing systems. By using the Revolut Business API, you can automate and streamline your business operations and provide a better experience for your customers.